last Rugby World Cup, you did something that no South African women's team has ever done before. And you talk about yourselves being inspirations, but who inspires you when you're the pioneers and you're doing something that no one from your country has ever done? Who do you look to for inspiration?
When I was that young girl watching the men's game, I had players like Fourie de Pre, Brian Abana, those players, Mornay Steyn, even Dan Carter from New Zealand, just the way that they played. From a women's point of view, in rugby, I didn't have any, a lot of inspiration, but from CrossFit, like Catherine David's daughter, she's well known in CrossFit, the way that she treats people just by living and stuff. That was also a person that I drew inspiration of. I had my grandmother, a very wise woman that whatever I faced, I always, talk to her about things. When you look for inspiration from other people, you tend to forget the type of person that you are. So I think it's also very important. And even though you're looking up to someone, um, it's also important to know that you on a journey yourself, and you need to um, look at yourself as a human being, and not fall into the trap of trying to live someone else's identity.